Hello guys, I hope all of you are fine wherever you are in this world, guys. Okay, guys, today again I'm going to share with you a very powerful option that is going to really help you to win your bet in a very easy way, guys. Okay, so guys, if only you don't want to miss any of my new video, the best thing to do that is to subscribe and activate the notification bell so that you don't miss any of my new video. Okay, and also if you like the trick I'm doing here, okay, share the video with your friends so that they can also enjoy these tricks. Okay, and also support me and support the channel by liking the video. Okay, like the video, guys. This is the only way you can support my channel. Okay, and also, guys, very important, if you are like me and you like security, okay, the best thing you can do to secure your 1xbet account is to create a fresh and new account by using the best promo code in the world. Okay, the promo code is DVIP. DVIP, all in capital letters. This promo code is the best promo code in the world. Okay, this promo code will secure your account. Whatever the total amount you are going to win on the 1xbet platform, you will be able to withdraw it without facing any issue, guys. It is the best promo code in the world in terms of security, guys. Okay, so and also this promo code will allow you to get 200% bonus on your first deposit. Okay, guys, so any of you who wanted to create a 1xbet account, the best promo code you can use is this promo code DVIP, guys. Okay, so guys, we are not going to waste a lot of time. Okay, let me show you this trick. Okay, and show you how you can use the trick and win. Okay, watch the full video so that you understand the trick. Okay, so guys, first let's select a match. Okay, let's select the Spain here. Okay, let's select La Liga. Okay, let's select La Liga here. Okay, and let's select this match. Okay, guys, and I'll tell you why I'm selecting especially this match. Okay, let's click on the match. Guys, we can see the first remark we can do here, okay, is that the two teams have almost the same level. Okay, as you can see here, the two teams have the same odds. Okay, the two teams have an odd of 2-2. Okay, this means that this match is going to be a very hard match. Okay, it means that for the two teams to score more than 3 goals in this match is going to be very hard. Okay, as you can see, this is their previous match. Okay, their first previous match they scored 3 goals. My second previous match they scored 2 goals. Okay, it means that for these two teams, okay, to score more than 3 goals in this match, it is going to be very hard. As you can see, this match, the two teams have almost the same odds. Okay, they have an odd of 2-2. Okay, it means that this match is going to be very hard and it is not going to be easy for the two teams. Okay, so as soon as we know that this match is going to be a hard match, so as soon as we know that the two teams, there will not be more than 3 goals here, it will be difficult for the two teams to score more than 3 goals in this match. Okay, what you are going to do now, we calm down, guys. Okay, let's calm down. Okay, we select this option, guys. Okay, next goal. Okay, guys, let's click on next goal. Okay, now after selecting next goal, now as you can see, they are giving us here some options. Okay, the first option is team 1 to score goal 1, team 2 to score goal 1, and no goal. Okay, here they are asking you, if you are sure that it is the team 1 that is going to score the goal 1, then you select this. Okay, you select this. Okay, if you are sure it is the team 2 that is going to score the goal 1, then you select this. But if you are sure that no team will score during this match, okay, then you select this. Guys, I hope you understand what I'm saying, and I hope you understand this option. Okay, so we now, this is not our problem. Okay, this is not our problem, this option is not our problem. Our option is down. Okay, so let's calm down here. Okay, as you can see here they are asking you, they are saying here team 1 to score goal 4, team 2 to score goal for and no goal for in this match. Okay, here they are asking you whether you are sure if you are sure it is the team one that is going to score the goal for here in this match, then you have to select this. Okay, if you are sure that it is the team two that is going to score the goal for, then you select this. But if you are sure that in this match there will not be no team score goal for, there will not be four goal in this match, then this option is yours. Okay, it means that if you select this option, if you select this option here, if you select this option, the only way for you to lose, it is only in this match. It is only in this match. Okay, at during the match, the two the score of the match at the end of the match is 4-0, 5-0. Okay, if there is 3-1 or 3-0 in this match, you win. If there is 2-1, you win. 1-0, you win. As we can see, this option is going to be a very very safe option because we know that this match is going to be a very very hard match. Okay, so for the two teams to score, for the match to end with four goals here, four goals or more here, is going to be very very hard, very 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 hard, guys. Okay, because the two teams have the same level and this match is going to be a very hard match. Okay, so we are not going to worry ourselves. A wise person, a smart person is not going to worry himself. He just come and select this option, guys. Okay, okay, but this is almost 100% sure. Okay, but those of you who want a 100% sure option, guys, they can just select this no goal 5 in this match by selecting this option. But as you can see here, the odd is very weak. Okay, but here the odd is weak, but here this is 100% sure. I can assure you guys, by selecting this, you are seeing that there will not be goal 5 in this match. Okay, it means that if you select this option here, okay, the only way you can lose if you select this option, it is only in the match. It is only in the match if there is 5 goals in the match. It means 5-0, 5-1. Okay, 5-1, 4-1. It means 4-1. It means that there is 4 goals, 5 goals. Okay, 4-1. Okay, 3-2. Okay, but we see that this match is no. This type of scores are not going to apply in this match because the match is going to be a very very hard match. Okay, so this is the option that I wanted to share with you guys. Okay, tell me what you think in the comment. Okay, and also if you like this option, share it with your friends so that they can also enjoy. But me personally, guys, I'm going to select this option. Okay, me personally, I like this option because the odd is not bad, and also it is very safe. Okay, so guys, this is what I wanted to share with you this today. Okay, so uh this all. Okay, please take care of yourself, okay guys, because I love you a lot, guys. Okay, you are very important for me. Take care of yourself and have a nice day, guys. Ciao.